Hello everybody and welcome to another mystery box function challenge. Inside this purple box there is some mystery math. When you put numbers in the top, it will change them into something else as they come out the bottom. And your ins and outs will be kept track of in this chart, and they'll even be graphed as ordered pairs so you can see the shape that this mystery math is making. Your challenge is to determine what's inside that purple box. In the description, you can find a link. Pause the video, go to that link, try out as many numbers as you like until you think you know the answer, and then come on back here and see if I get the same thing. All right, let's start. Put in good old 0, and we're getting 4, so maybe we're adding 4. Let's put in a 1. Will this be a 5? Oh, it is not a 5. So that is, well, it went down 3 and over 1. So maybe this is the line negative 3x plus 4. That could be. Let's put in a 2. So negative 3x, that would be negative 6 plus, so that'd be 2. Wait. No, we'd go down, yeah, negative 6 plus, plus 4 would be negative 2. So this should be at a negative 2, if that's right. Oh, no. Okay, so this no longer looks like a line. We've got some kind of curve going on. Maybe this is part of a parabola that's been shifted to the right. Let's try a 3 and see where we're at. Okay, now I'm thinking this is a parabola, and it looks like the vertex maybe is here. Let's try a 4 and see if it's symmetrical with this point here. So 4, 4 should be on this graph. Aha. Okay, so I think we have a parabola. And this one has been shifted to the right. And we did one of these, well, actually just yesterday. And what I suggested is that you want to make a set of parentheses that gets squared. And the x goes in here, but some number as well. To shift to the right, that number has to be negative however many spaces you've shifted the vertex over. So the vertex for just plain old x squared would be right here at the origin. We've gone over 2 spaces, so we would do minus 2. Sometimes this is confusing because you're moving your parabola in a positive direction, like towards the more positive numbers, but you're subtracting 2 and it doesn't seem to make sense. The way to test this in your head, if you're not sure, is to try to make what's inside the parentheses 0, because that should be where your vertex is. So to make something minus 2, 0, I'd have to put in a 2. So let's plug in a 2, then we subtract 2. That's going to be 0 squared is 0. So the point 2, 0 should be on our graph. It is, and it's our vertex. Let's just test this with one more point. Let's try 4. So 4 goes in for x, and then we have minus 2. And then we square all that. Well, 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. So the point 4, 4 should be on our graph, and it is. Okay, so I'm pretty confident we've got this. It's quantity x minus 2 squared. So let's take a look. And there it is, x minus 2 squared. And let's take a graph of this as well. Yeah, there's our parabola. Usual shape, just shifted over to the right 2 spaces. Well, how did that go for you? Did you get this one? Did you learn from yesterday's and this one was a snap for you? Or was this pretty tough and confusing? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.